Welcome back, guys. This is going to be a super easy video. How to change the battery in your key fob. This is off my GMC Sierra 1500, but if you own another GM vehicle like a Cadillac, Chevy, or other GMC Tahoes, Yukons, Escalades, Silverados, they pretty much all use the same key fob. This is off of a 2024, so similar year models will use the same thing. So first things first, you're going to need a new battery, which is called CR2450. I have a link to this battery in the description down below. It is an affiliate link. It does help the channel grow, and it funds future videos. So that's greatly appreciated. But to get started, take your key fob, press this button right here. You're going to remove the emergency key from the key fob. Then you're going to locate the notch right here in the opening that we just did. It'll fit right in there. It doesn't click or anything, but you'll just set it there. You'll twist this just like that. No tools needed. Pull it apart. And inside, you can see the CR2450 battery. You can take your emergency key, you can use it again to pop the battery out. You'll notice that the positive side is up. That is the way that you need to put the new battery in. So replace the old battery, put the new battery in, set it underneath the notch there, just press it in, and then you are set. So go to the top of the remote, and you're going to set the top side in first. This little green deal here does kind of get in the way sometimes, but go ahead and set that together first and pop it together. Now that's all set. Take your emergency key, set that right back inside just like it was before, and that's it. So if this was helpful for you, please hit the like and subscribe button. Definitely helps the channel out, and we will have more helpful videos for you in the future. But for now, you are set, ready to go. Key fobs replaced, and you are good to go about your day.